In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 404 error on your Wix website. We all know how frustrating it can be when visitors to your site encounter the dreaded 404 error, essentially a roadblock that informs them the page they're trying to reach can't be found. Fortunately, resolving this issue is straightforward if you follow these steps closely. First, we're going to start from the Wix dashboard. After logging into your Wix account, you need to navigate to the Home section. From here, look for the Site and Mobile App option and click on it. This is where you manage the overall structure and functionality of your site, so having easy access to these settings will be quite useful in resolving the 404 error. Now, you'll want to click on SEO and GEO from this menu. This section is crucial as it houses settings directly related to optimizing how search engines perceive your site, and in this case, how users navigate it. Once you're in the SEO settings, find the URL Redirect Manager and click on Go to URL Redirect Manager. This tool is key in fixing 404 errors because it allows you to set up redirects from faulty URLs to the correct ones. Within the URL Redirect Manager, click on Create New Redirect. This step is where you correct the error by redirecting traffic from the incorrect or broken URL to the desired one. So, in the field marked Old URL, type in the URL of the page that's been giving you trouble. Make sure you have the correct old URL, as any typo can result in the same issue persisting. Next, in the New URL field, enter the URL you want to redirect to. This is typically the URL of the existing or new page that should replace the old broken link. After you've double-checked both fields for any mistakes, click Save to apply the changes. This saves your newly created redirect and should resolve the 404 error for anyone trying to access the old link. Finally, let's ensure everything is set up correctly. Click on Pages and Menu and choose a page that previously had a 404 error. Go to the Settings option, then head over to Permissions. To make sure your page is accessible, choose Everyone under the Who Can Access This Page option. This step ensures that any potential restrictions on who can view the page are removed, eliminating access barrier issues that could appear as 404 errors. And there you have it. By setting up redirects and checking page permissions, you're well on your way to providing a smoother user experience without those pesky 404 errors. Now your visitors will be able to navigate your site without running into roadblocks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides on enhancing your Wix website.